that post-traumatic stress disorder wasn't named as a diagnosis until 1980. So that's 45 years after AA and the 12 steps were created. So it makes sense that trauma and PTSD aren't really talked about in the big book. I'm pretty convinced that if Bill W. and Dr. Bob were alive today and wrote the big book today, that they would be talking quite a bit about trauma. Of course, Bill W. was a veteran and Dr. Bob was a doctor. So if they both were alive today and were creating Alcoholics Anonymous today, they would have certainly been aware of, and probably intimately aware of, post-traumatic stress disorder and trauma, and they would have had the language to talk about this and articulate it. I'm pretty convinced that the language they use around spiritual malady and underlying problems that fuel our drinking, that what they're really talking about is the phenomenon of trauma, of traumatic stress.